Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add title screens here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you find the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so we can see we have our timeline down here and I'm going to drag a video on just so we can set the scene. I'm going to drag a little bit across, and from here I'm then going to go to the very top of my screen and click on text, and from here I can click default text. You can see this has now been applied right before the video. Now from here I can then click on this, go to text at the top right, I can amend the name of the title, so let's go for intro for example. I can then go down to font, I can select the ones that I would like to use. I can also go down and you can see there are presets here that I can automatically apply to it. If you are looking for other effects, you can click effects here and you can then choose how you'd like it to appear, for example. You can also go across the left hand side, click on text templates, and from here you can also find intros that you can add in and apply to your video, just like this one. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you please like and subscribe.